paper machine to make dumplings, but it wouldn't work. So he put a patty back on the machine and he tried again, but still it didn't work. But this time he tried putting it off to the side and it still didn't work. So he grabbed a bunch of meat and put it on the machine because he thought that was the problem, but he was still wrong. So he knew that he only needed a little bit less to get the perfect amount, but it still didn't work. At this point, he was starting to give up, so he put the tiniest amount of meat possible to see if it would work, but it didn't. Next, he had a genius idea, so after pulling out a bowl of water and mixing it, he tried spreading it on the patty, but it just barely failed. So he decided to try the same idea, but with a different type of liquid. So after using a tiny brush to spread it perfectly, he tried again. But everybody thought for sure this one was going to work, but it still didn't. So he got the amazing idea to use the same liquid, but put a bunch of oil so that it would slide perfectly, but it failed again. So he decided that the meat was the problem, so he spread it out more evenly on the patty, but it still failed. Next, he spread it out even more since it almost worked, but again, it failed miserably.